She's royal, yeah, so royal.
Hey guys, it's your girl, She's Royal 85, and welcome to my channel. So today I will be doing my hair for a wedding. The wedding is tomorrow, so I'm going to prep my hair for today. Right now my hair is stretched out. I stretched it out by using no heat, and if you guys want to see that method, I can show y'all in another video. So the look I'm going for is a stretched out twist out. So I'm going to show you guys how I moisturize my hair and get ready for a twist out. I'm going to take this off first because it was getting really hot. So first things first, I like to separate my hair in sections, and I work in the back first. Then I'm going to spritz my hair with water, focusing on my ends, as well as getting my leave-in conditioner and focusing on my ends, and then raking it up my hair. And I'm just going to finger detangle before I comb my hair. I like to detangle with my fingers first, just so I can feel the knots and make it easier for the comb. And when I do comb my hair, I won't be ripping or taking too much out. So I comb my hair with a wide tooth comb, and I start at the bottom and work my way up. Once my hair is detangled, I add a little bit of oil to the ends and rake it through my hair just to seal in the moisture, and then I begin to two-strand twist. Once I get to the bottom of the twist, I twist it around with my finger, and then I wrap my ends around a bobby pin, and it acts like a little curler for my ends. So now I'm working on the next section. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to spritz my hair, starting at the ends and working the water up, but not too much. A little bit of leave-in conditioner, working at the ends, and then raking it up. Once I'm finished with my leave-in conditioner, I like to finger detangle my hair before I go in with a wide tooth comb. When I'm using my wide tooth comb, I like to start at the ends and then work my way up. Once my hair is detangled, I start to two-strand twist. And once I get to the bottom of the twist, I twirl it around, and then I wrap it around a bobby pin to make a curl at the end. So here are my twists, all done and moisturized. Altogether, I have 14 twists, 8 in the back and 6 in the front. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Okay guys, that was quick. It's the next day, and I am going to take out my twists. Y'all see I'm already got my makeup ready for this wedding. I was running late. So yeah, you see this is the close-up of my ends, what the bobby pin would do. Give you a little curl. So right now I am untwisting my twist, and I'm going to separate. Usually I don't separate that much, but today I'm going for like a really full look for the wedding. So I decided to separate a lot this time. And I do have a tip: if when you separate, put oil on your hands. So that's what I'm doing. I'm taking down my twist with oils on my hand so that my twist out won't be as frizzy. Even though I welcome the frizz, but I feel like it gives my twist out a more polished look. So this is the look after I take all my twist out, but I just feel like it's not full enough. So now I'm going to go in and separate my hair and try to fluff it out some more with a pick. I started in the back first, and what I did with this pick, I started with the roots and then I combed down as well. So not all the way down to break the curls, but enough, if that makes sense. So here I am just fluffing it out with my fingers as well. And then I'm going to go in and smooth my hair so I could put a piece behind my ear, because I want this tucked behind my ear. So I'm going in with my toothbrush and some jam, and then I'm going to bobby pin it down. So now I'm just going to fluff and fluff until I get the volume that I'm looking for. So this is the finished look, you guys. I like the way it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. If you would like to see more natural hair videos from your girl, please thumbs up this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I just wanted to show y'all my hair at the end of the night. Excuse my voice. I had a time at this wedding, y'all. This is my hair at the end of the night. It got really, really big. Really big. This is my hair. I think tonight I'm just gonna pineapple it because I'm not about to do nothing. Y'all, it's so big. Like, it just grew and grew. But I like it. The bigger, the better for me. I got so many compliments on my hair and my dress. Yeah, I had a time. A time was had. But I just wanted to show y'all my hair. I sound like a He-Man woman hater right now. Like, this is crazy. I can't believe this voice is like this. I was just talking over that loud ass music. And yeah. So yeah, I'm about to wash this makeup off, pineapple my hair, and cuddle up with my husband. Y'all have a good night. Bye. Thanks guys for being here. If you like this video, please thumbs up this video and don't forget to subscribe.